Daddy? It's okay, Ethan. It's okay. Just let him do it how he wants. Whoa. Hello, everybody. Hello. Whoa, monkey. Uh-oh. Again. Oh, no, he fell again. There he is.
He looks like he's outside.
Uh-oh, I guess that, is that all? Do you have any more people back there? Whoa. Water? There's the water. Bananas? Right there in the tree.